Hello everyone, welcome to this week's video announcements. I've got a whole list for you here, so I'm going to jump right in. And I want to start with talking about our stewardship campaign because it is the last week. So thank you to everyone who has gotten your pledge in so far. I am so grateful for that. It really helps us out when you get that in a timely way. And for everyone who has gotten their pledge in, we have added a little tea light to our big chalice flame, wooden chalice in the sanctuary. So if you add your pledge, we can add more tea lights and really kind of visually fuel our flame. So I would love for you to get your pledge in by this Sunday, March 13th. I will put a link in the comments where you can do that. You can fill out the form. It'll just take you a couple minutes. And I invite you to give some thought to what you can give. Maybe think about what feels comfortable and then give a little bit more than that. That would be great. It really does help us to continue the work of this congregation. This week, we've got a few things going on. Tomorrow is our bi-monthly grief group on Zoom led by Karen Campbell. That's at 7 p.m., and you can reach out to Karen for the Zoom link. And that's open to anyone who's experiencing grief of any kind. Karen provides a really nurturing, caring space to hold that grief and to work through it. So you are welcome to join Karen tomorrow, Wednesday at 7 p.m. On Friday, UU Action New Hampshire and the New Hampshire Community Bail Fund are holding a fundraiser here at UU Nashua in our sanctuary. It's called Break Every Chain, and it's a fundraiser for the New Hampshire Community Bail Fund, which what used to be called the Bail and Bond Fund. We have done collections for them a couple of times. There's going to be all kinds of great stuff, music, and a keynote address by Michael Cox, who's the executive director of Massachusetts Black and Pink. It is a hybrid event, so you can join online or in person, but they're asking folks to sign up so that they know who is coming. It's at 6 p.m. this Friday. That is March 11th, Friday, March 11th, here at UU Nashua in our sanctuary. So I hope you will come out and support this really important cause. On Saturday is our next Faith Formation Family Hour here at church. It's from 1 to 2 p.m. There'll be some activities for kids and families, as well as an opportunity to pick up at-home church kits. So between 1 and 2, and there's been an email with more details that went out to families, so check for that, and hope to see you there. On Sunday, I have a bunch of things I want to tell you about for Sunday. First of all, it is daylight savings time. So what that means is that we lose an hour of sleep, which is, I think, it's the hardest Sunday of the year to get up. But you should get up and come to church anyway, or get up and log on anyway. So don't forget, otherwise you'll be late to church. And this Sunday is the kind of second Sunday in our Pulpit Swap series. Last Sunday was actually technically the first Sunday of our kind of 3 weeks of Pulpit Swap, where all three of us, me and the minister from Manchester and the minister from Milford, were all at our own churches last Sunday. And this Sunday we're kind of rotating. So I will be in Milford, and Patrick McLaughlin, the minister from Manchester, will be leading worship here in Nashua. And so I hope that you'll come out or log on and be there for Patrick's service. It is also a workshop Sunday, so we will have faith formation workshops for our elementary ages. Those will be either in person or online, so you can join either way. There are 2 different workshops planned, and we'd love to have kids join us for that. So worship and workshops on Sunday. Don't forget that it's daylight savings. Don't be late to church. I also wanted to remind you that we are looking for some more help on Sunday mornings now that we have more people in person. So looking for folks to sign up to be greeters. And starting March 27th to sign up to help with Fellowship Hour, to host Fellowship Hour. And also we're looking for folks to sign up to be Zoom host. And we can tell you more about that that opportunity if you would like. But that's especially so that Erica can take a Sunday off each month. Erica, our administrator, is our Zoom host typically on Sunday mornings, and so we need folks to fill in that role so that she can have a Sunday off. So the sign up for all three of those roles is all in the same place. I will put the link in the comments. It's super easy, and I would really appreciate it if you would sign up and help out. And finally, I'm just going to give a little teaser that if you've been wondering when might InPerson Choir happen again, it's coming up. So stay tuned for more details about InPerson Choir. And then I've got a couple things that are kind of further out on the horizon that I want to tell you about. Next Tuesday, March 15th, is the next meeting of the Renewal of Welcoming Congregation team. That's at 7:30 on Zoom. That's our folks who are working on making sure we're up to date on our Welcoming Congregation renewal, and that's our welcome for LGBTQ folks. So that's 7:30. You can reach out to Caro, our ministerial intern, for more information about that, March 15th. On April 3rd, there is a team being put together, a UU Nashua team for the Nashua Soup Kitchen and Shelter Run and Walk fundraiser. It is at noon on April 3rd. That's a Sunday, so we'd love to have you join us or give if you want to support the team. I signed up for the walk because I'm not a runner, but I know some people are going to be running, and I think it'll be fun. It'll be a good chance to be together and get some exercise for a good cause. And I'll put a link to info about that, how to join our team or donate in the comments. And finally, General Assembly is coming up in June, which June might feel far away in March, but it is coming. So the Unitarian Universalist Association, our national association, has a General Assembly each year. It is a business meeting, but also a conference with workshops and really good worship and speakers. It is really powerful if you've never attended before. They are doing a hybrid event, so you can attend either in person in Portland, Oregon, which is what I am hoping to do, or online from the comfort of your home. So if you are interested in attending General Assembly, I'll put a link in the comments with all the details. We are looking for delegates. If you're interested in being a delegate, you can reach out to Lindsay Hedrick, who is our board vice president. The board votes on delegates usually at their April or May meeting. And so we're actively recruiting delegates right now. So let us know if you're going to go to General Assembly and want to be a delegate. And also just let me know if you're going, because we always connect our UU Nashua folks in some way so that we can be in conversation and in connection with each other as we go through that General Assembly experience. So whether you're attending online or in person, let me know so that I can make sure you get connected in with us. And finally, we do have some support if you want to attend especially if you want to attend virtually. We could cover your registration if you want to attend virtually. We could offer some support if you want to attend in person. So if money is a barrier, please reach out to me and I can help you with that. So that is everything. That was a lot. Thank you for listening all the way to the end if you made it here. And I hope you have a wonderful week. I won't see you on Sunday because I'll be in Manchester, but I will be in Milford. I can't even remember where I'll be. I'll be in Milford. But Patrick will be here, and I hope that you will too.